Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. Here we can change the time range and then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and here we've got them. So we can remove tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you wish to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, of course. And here you can change the time range also. So just mark the proper option and tap on delete data. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.